Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 22nd of March to 28th of March 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants this whole week from 22nd of March to 28th of March. You need to be careful while signing any document. You need to be careful while showing your trust on strangers. This is not a right time to investing your money. You may get a lot of opportunity to investing your money, but I would suggest you don't invest your money during this time. This whole week brings a lot of confusion in your mind. Stay calm, stay cool, and always use good words with your colleagues, with your friends, and don't try to misbehave with anyone. This whole week brings a lot of negative energy. Aries, you need to be careful. You need to be careful while investing any money anywhere in this week, and you need to be careful while talking with your business partner or life partner, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down confusion, and relationship with your near and dear will be affected due to your bad words or due to your wrong words. Because the more you think positive and good about yourself, about others, the more you get good results in this week. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Try to pay your taxes on time. You must go for the test, blood test or urine test this week. Aries, this whole week brings a lot of confusion, mental stress. You're not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling positive. You are not feeling good, because this whole week brings a lot of hurdles in your success path. If you are investing your money somewhere already, you are not feeling comfortable because you are not getting a good results. You are not getting a good profit. So Aries, be careful, stay positive this whole week. Don't invest anything anywhere. Don't show your trust on strangers. Just keep calm and perform your best. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. 22nd of March to 28th of March 2021. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Your dreams and desires will be fulfilled. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame, respect. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will definitely achieve a lot of big milestone, and you will get success in all about aspects of life. Your source of earning, if you are importer exporter, you will get benefit because your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy a lot of financial gains. This whole week, Taurus, as per dynamics, because your ascendant Lord transit in your 11th house, but Venus is combust, but in Pisces sign in your 11th house, it will give you unexpected gains. If you are investing your money in stock market, or if you are investing your money in intraday, or if you are importer exporter, businessman, any type of trader, you will get blessed with a lot of gains. Your savings will rise, your source of earning will develop, you will get a lot of new opportunities. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, and lot of good benefits. You will blessed. And this whole week, if you want to invest your money anywhere, you must invest, because you will get a lot of good advantage. Because Venus 7th aspect is on your 5th house, and you will blessed with some unexpected money, and you will become very creative in this week. This whole week, Taurus, you need to perform your best, because if you think positive and perform your best, you will definitely achieve big goals. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, then this week is very helpful for you. You may get PR, you may get work permit if you are already applying. This whole week brings a lot of peace of mind, success, multiple source of earning, all round success are there. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants this week from 22nd of March to 28th of March 2021. Venus Sun transit in your 10th house. Jupiter transit in your Ashtam Bhav, 8th house with Saturn. So this whole week you need to be careful. You need to be careful while signing any document. You will get a lot of opportunities. You will get a lot of opportunity to investing your money or start anything new with anyone. And you may start, but you have to wait till 6th of April. Once Jupiter leave your 8th house and enter in your 9th house, you may start anything. You will blessed with a lot of gains. You will blessed with a lot of unexpected gains after 6th April. But in this week, 22nd March to 28th of March, you need to be careful. You need to focus on your things. Plan everything, but this week is not a right time to execute your plan in reality. You have to wait till 6th of April. And after 6th of April, when Jupiter enter in your 9th house, you may do anything because your fortune is in your favor. Because 9th house, Jupiter transit in your 9th house from 6th April, Jupiter is the Karka planet of the ninth house, and it will give you fantastic results. Gemini, don't lose your patience. You are very near to biggest game changer events will knock you in your life after 6th of April 2021. Stay positive, stay calm. Whatever you plan, don't execute in this week. Have wait to till next 10 to 15 days after 16th April when dynamics is in your favor. You will definitely do anything. You will achieve lot of goals. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants for 22nd of March to 28th of March 2021. This whole week, there is some good activity. There is a good ceremony at your home or at your, you can say, near and dears, and you will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. This whole week from 22nd of March to 28th of March, you will be blessed with some unexpected gains. Finances will be excellent. You will earn some extra money. You will earn some additional source of earning if you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha running in your natal chart, in your birth chart. So if you have a like Jupiter Mahadasha, Moon Mahadasha, or you have a Mars Mahadasha, they are well placed in your birth chart. And as per dynamic, this whole week you will earn a lot of money, you will save a lot of money, you will get a lot of appreciation from your seniors, from your workplace. You will get name, fame, achievements, and you become a very creative. You're feeling very positive energy. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you when you are feeling very positive and you feel very blessed because your all pending work will click. But Cancer, this whole time, Monday, Tuesday will bring lot of opportunity. But you need to be careful while Wednesday and Thursday, don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. Don't go for any short distance journeys. Wednesday and Thursday is not very promising day. You need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful about your own health. Stomach related problem will irritate you on Wednesday and Thursday. But Cancer, this whole week, Monday, Tuesday and Friday and Saturday will be a very rewarding for you. Friday and Saturday you will bounce back and you will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, reputation. And if you are unemployed, you may get job very easily. You just need to perform your best, put your 100% effort. You are very near to your goals. This whole time will brings you lot of positivity. This whole week brings you lot of good gains, success, achievements, fame, prosperity. Cancer, the way you put your efforts at your workplace, the way you get positive results. Try to perform your 100% best at your workplace. You will definitely achieve big goals, big achievements. Your seniors will be satisfied. You may get promoted or your salary may rise. So wish you all the best for your career. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants for 22nd of March to 28th of March. This whole week, you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your father's health. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, your health will be matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. Some anxiety or depression creates some problem, Leo. But Tuesday, your whole game will be changed. Wednesday, from your old game will be changed. Wednesday and Thursday will be ultimate days for you when you will make a lot of money from your old investment. If you wanna start anything new, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a rewarding days for you. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, and a lot of new opportunity will knock you. If you investing your money somewhere, you may invest in Wednesday and Thursday, but you need to be careful because this whole week brings you mixed results. Only Wednesday and Thursday is a productive days when you will blessed with a lot of gains, or you will blessed with a lot of opportunities, or you will make a lot of money from your old investment. On Friday and Saturday, don't do anything new. Don't start anything new because Friday and Saturday dynamics is not in your favor. You need to be careful about your health. Stomach related problem or anxiety or depression will create some panic situation. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling restless. Must go for gym or yoga. Must give 45 minutes to 60 minutes every day morning, early morning on yourself, on your mind and your body. Focus on yourself. This whole week brings a lot of up and down. You are not feeling comfortable the way you are because planetary movement is not in your favor. But must read Aditya Hriday Stotra every day morning, before start your day, before breakfast, after taking a shower, 3 times minimum, and must go for the Surya Namaskar every day morning before start your day and after taking shower. You will definitely feel positive energy and you are able to face any type of depression and anxiety. So I would suggest you don't think negative, just perform your best. You are very near to your good time because 6th April when Jupiter enter in your 7th house, your all plans will be, your all thoughts will be changed. You will be on another height of success. But this whole week brings a lot of unnecessary stress, burden, phobia, depression. Without any reason, you are not feeling comfortable. Without any reason, you are feeling very low. So now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants this whole week from 22nd of March to 28th of March. You will blessed with unexpected gains. You will blessed with a lot of good gains. You're feeling very happy and very proud because you will earn a lot of money from your old investment. Especially Monday, Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. When your family will support you, your spouse will support you, your savings will rise, you will earn a lot of money. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity. Virgo, this is very good week for you. Just need to put your 100% effort. Whatever you plan in past few weeks or month, this is the right week to execute your things. You will get a lot of opportunities. Wednesday and Thursday, again, you will earn a lot of money. Your old desires will be fulfilled. There is a strong chances for some short distance journeys on Wednesday and Thursday, and it will give you very fruitful results. If you think positive, perform your best, you will definitely blessed in the first 4 days of this week with a lot of gains, a lot of money, a lot of good health. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy all around success. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friend, and you are feeling very positive. You're feeling very positive, and your health will fine, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will spend a lot of money on your luxury things. There is a strong chances again for short distance and long distance journeys will knock you. So Virgo, you should take advantage of this week because you will be blessed with a good dynamics in this week. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants for 22nd of March to 28th of March 2021. Libra, you need to be careful. You need to be careful while talking with others. Try to give respect to elders at your home. Try to touch feet of your father. Give some respect to your elders like father or grandfather. The more you give respect to your elders, the more you take blessings from your father's side, the more you get fantastic results. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. Especially Monday and Tuesday. If you respect your father, if you respect your grandfather, you will definitely steal the show. You will earn a lot of money, fame, peace of mind. And if your relationship is not very promising with your father, you may be a part of any problem. Father blessings will be a biggest game changer for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will make a lot of money from your old investment. You're feeling much relaxed, comfortable, and you will enjoy all around success. Your spouse will support you, your family will support you, and this whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, good health, and you will enjoy very good time. Libra, put your efforts, perform your best. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these 3 days will be a game changer time for you. But must try to keep touch of your feet of your father, and you must take blessings from your father's side. Father blessings will be a biggest remedy for you, Libra, in this week. You will be blessed with a lot of gains, mental peace, good health, good social circle. If you take blessings from your father's side, try to keep happy to your father, give some respect and give some gift as a token of love to your father or grandfather. So now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, this whole week, you will be a part of any problem. You are not feeling comfortable. You may earn good money, but monetary terms is not very promising in this week. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed. If your job, your seniors are not satisfied from your performance, this whole week brings a lot of mixed results for you. Especially Monday and Tuesday will create a lot of instability in your professional life as well as your mental peace. You lose your mental peace and you get aggressive, and there's some strong chances you may be a part of any arguments or litigation or problem. Try to avoid any type of argument. Don't be a part of any problem. Keep calm yourself. Must do some meditation or yoga early morning. Scorpio, Mars is in your 7th house with natural malefic planet Rahu, and Mars is also hemmed between Rahu Ketu. This is not very productive time. Give respect to your spouse. Monday and Tuesday will be a difficult time for you for making a good balance between your personal life and your professional life. You are not comfortable, you are not feeling happy or good. Wednesday and Thursday, you are feeling bit relaxed and better. You may sign new documents, you may sign new contract. It will be a biggest game changer. If you want to settle in foreign land, this is the right time. Wednesday and Thursday, if you apply for the any foreign job or foreign PR or foreign work permit, very soon you will get very positive results. Scorpio, perform your best, think positive, must read Hanuman Chalisa before sleep 3 times, 5 times or 7 times. The more you chant Lord Hanuman mantra, the more you chant Lord Hanuman Chalisa every night before you sleep, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. You're feeling much relaxed and positive energy, but overall this whole week brings a lot of mixed result for you. Friday and Saturday you are not feeling comfortable. Your homely atmosphere will be affected due to your some attitude or ego you are trying to show in front of your spouse, in front of your family member. You're not feeling comfortable in your relationship because dynamics is not in your favor. Mars is in your 7th house. It will create lot of anxiety, depression, problems with your spouse. Always use good words, try to give respect to your spouse, be humble, be polite, take care of yourself, and must go for some yoga or meditation early morning every day if you want to take some peace of mind. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. You're not feeling comfortable. Financially, this week is very unbalancing for you. You may get money, but that is not as per your expectations. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. This whole week you will bless with a lot of gains. Some new opportunities will knock you. Monday and Tuesday you're feeling much relaxed and comfortable when you will earn some extra money as a commission, as a brokerage, or you will feel very high and very positive. You may start anything new. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success, good gains are there. You will get a lot of blessings from your father's side. Your father may give you some gift or some inheritance. You may get some inheritance. You may get some business opportunity from your partners. You may get some gift from your father's side. There's a lot of good events will knock you on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday again, Sagittarius, you will be top. You're feeling very positive. You're feeling very positive energy. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. There is a strong chances you may start any new venture and you will feel blessed and positive. This whole time brings a lot of positivity, good gains, sound, savings, and you will be a part of any new venture that may be linked with a far away place from your land. If you are already in foreign land, if you are working in foreign land and you are living far away from your birth land, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. Sagittarius, try to perform your best. Very soon you will enter in a new horizon of your life. Your social circle will expand and you will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. This whole week brings a lot of positivity in you. You will earn a lot of fame, prosperity. Some friends will give you very good advice and that will be a biggest game changer advice for you. Don't ignore your friends' talk. Don't ignore your friend advice. Take them seriously. You will be top. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy very good time with your near and dear, with your spouse, with your friends, with your kids. If you are married, if you are unmarried, you will spend very good time with your loved one. Sagittarius, try to perform your best because this week never come back. You will get a lot of good opportunities to make your life easy and better. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants from 22nd of March to 28th of March. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while signing any document. Try to give your 100% best at your professional life. Monday and Tuesday you will be feeling low. You are not feeling comfortable. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get positive results from your professional life. And your personal life is also a matter of concern. Give respect to your spouse. Always try to use good words in front of your spouse. Try to use positive words in front of your spouse because Saturn is testing your patience. Your Saturn is in your first house. By the grace of God, this whole week Jupiter is also transit in your first house, and you're feeling much relaxed and comfortable from Wednesday morning to Thursday night, and you are feeling very good time. You are spending very good time with your loved one. But again, I am telling you, this is a time when Saturn check your patience and try to give your respect to a spouse, to your loved one. Don't show your ego attitude in front of your loved one. The more you think positive about your loved one or talk positive with your loved one or your spouse, the more you get good results. Some unexpected gains are there on Wednesday and Thursday. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy a very good time. Friday and Saturday, your seniors are satisfied from your performance and you will earn a lot of money if you are a businessman, if you are an importer exporter. Capricorn, this whole week only Monday and Tuesday is not very promising days for you. Rest from Wednesday morning to till Saturday night, you will enjoy a very good time. Be positive and try to give positive energy to your loved one or spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. This whole week you will be blessed with a lot of gains. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will earn a lot of money from old investment. This whole time brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind, good health. You will enjoy a very good time with your kids. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you when you will earn a lot of money, but try to pay your taxes on time. Try to pay your bills on time. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation. Try to avoid any type of dispute. Try to avoid any type of arguments with anyone. Otherwise you will be a part of any problem. If you are ignoring all these negative things, you will definitely earn very good money on Monday and Tuesday. Save your positive energy inside. Don't use your positive energy without any reason. Don't talk too much. Monday and Tuesday you will earn very good money. You will earn name, fame, position at your workplace. Wednesday and Thursday, these 2 days will give you lot of new opportunities, will give you lot of new directions of your life. When you will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity, respect, honor. Aquarius, try to perform your best. This week will create a lot of magic in your life. When you will be top and sky high. You will, if you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are already in job and you are not performing well, this whole week brings a lot of good gains, a lot of good appreciation from your senior side. You're feeling much relaxed, comfortable, and you enjoy your time. Weekend you will spend very good time with a spouse. But health of your spouse will be a matter of concern. Some stomach related trouble or chest related problem will create some panic situation. But overall you will spend very good time with your spouse and you may go to some short distance journeys. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind and very positive energy you will enjoy. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. This whole week brings unexpected gains for you. You will enjoy unexpected money. You will enjoy a lot of new business opportunities. You will enjoy good gains. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate time when you will earn name, fame, prosperity with a lot of money. Your savings will rise, your respect will rise, your father will support you, your spouse will support you. Wednesday and Thursday again, you will earn very good source of earning. You will earn money from multiple sources of earn. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. You will get a lot of position. You will enjoy your success. You may, you may buy some luxury item for your home. You may buy a car. You may buy some homely luxury items. You may spend your money on that on Wednesday and Thursday. But overall, your savings will be top. You will earn a lot of money. You will enjoy good health. You will enjoy very positive mindset if you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha running on your birth chart. So Pisces, this whole week is very positive for you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These days are very comfortable when you earn a lot of money. If you want to start something new, you may start. But don't sign any new document on Saturday. And must consult with your horoscope, with your nearest astrologer to know about which planet Mahadasha is running in your birth chart. And his advice and his remedies will make your life easy and better. This is my advice for every ascendant. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.